Hello students, in our last video we have completed the chapter triangles. So today we'll start with a new chapter, that is your quadrilateral. Now before starting, what is the meaning of this quadrilateral? Quad means four and lateral means your sides. That means a figure bounded by four sides is called as a quadrilateral. A figure that is formed by joining 4 points A, B, C and D. These are 4 points in an order. So this type of figure is called as a quadrilateral. That means there are 4 sides AB, BC, CD and DA. There are 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And there are 4 vertices also. A, B, C and D are the 4 vertices. And in this quadrilateral there are 2 diagonals. We have joined here C, A and C and B and D. So what is basically a diagonal? A diagonal is a line which joins the 2 vertices, opposite vertices. Here A and C are opposite, so we join A and C. This is one diagonal. B and D are opposite. This is another diagonal, BD. Right. So a quadrilateral is a figure that is formed by joining 4 points in an order. Next, we'll go to angle sum property of a quadrilateral. See here, according to this property, the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We know that sum of 3 angles of a quadrilateral of a triangle is 180 degree. Similarly here, the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We can prove this one by taking the 2 triangles here. See here, ABC is one triangle. Another is your ADC. This is another triangle. So if we add these angles, we will get here that it is equal to 360 degree. So the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Right. So first we got what is a quadrilateral, second angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Now we will go to the types of quadrilateral. There are 6 types. We'll study 6 types of quadrilateral. The first one is your trapezium. So now what is a trapezium? It is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel and one pair of opposite sides are non-parallel. If this is a trapezium, you see here AB and CD are the parallel sides. This is one pair of parallel side and these are parallel to each other. Similarly, AD and BC is one pair of opposite side which are non-parallel to each other. AD and BC are non-parallel, AB and CD are parallel to each other. Another thing we need to remember is isosceles trapezium. So what is an isosceles trapezium? If the 2 non-parallel sides, here AD and BC are non-parallel sides, if these 2 non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is called as an isosceles trapezium. AD and BC are equal here, so this is a isosceles trapezium. Right, so trapezium means a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel and the other pair of opposite sides are non-parallel. Yeah. So first type is gone. Next we will go to the second one, that is your parallelogram. Parallelogram, that means what? Parallel. The sides should be parallel. So it is also a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. See here, AB is 1 and CD are the 2 opposite sides. So these are parallel to each other. Again AD is parallel to BC. So again I am repeating, it is a quadrilateral in which both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Right. Next, number 3 is your rectangle. So what is a rectangle? It is also a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal and one angle is 90 degree. Mind it, here it is not only parallel but it has to be equal also. So in this figure, we see here AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD and AB is also equal to CD because it is said here that the sides opposite are parallel as well as equal. So AB is parallel to CD and AB is also equal to CD. Similarly, BC is parallel to AD and also BC is equal to AD because it should be parallel and equal. And one of the angles, that is angle A, is equal to 90 degree. So a rectangle is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal. And one of the angle is 90 degree. Right. Next, number 4 is your rhombus. So what is a rhombus? It is also a quadrilateral in which all the 4 sides are parallel, in which all the 4 sides are equal and both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So see the diagram here. In this diagram, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. That means all the 4 sides are equal and AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. So in a rhombus, all the sides are equal and also the opposite sides are parallel. That is AB is equal to parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Right. So we got trapezium, we got your parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus. Now we will go to square. I think everybody is familiar with the word square. So square is nothing but it is a rectangle. We can say that it is a rectangle in which two consecutive sides are equal. Consecutive means one after the other. Or with respect to quadrilateral, we can say that it is a quadrilateral in which all the four sides are equal, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, and one angle is a right angle. That means it is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral in which all the four sides AB, BC, CD, and DA are equal. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. That means CD is parallel to AB and AD is parallel to BC, and one of the angle is right angle, that is 90 degree. So AB parallel to CD, BC parallel to AD, and all the sides, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD and equal to DA, and one of the angle is equal to your 90 degree, right? Next, the last one, that is your kite. Now what is a kite? A kite is a quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. See here, this is a kite in which the adjacent side AB, I mean the side AB is adjacent to AD. So these two sides are equal. And BC and CD are adjacent sides. So BC is equal to CD. So a kite is a quadrilateral in which the adjacent sides are equal. So AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. And mind it, there is a note here. A kite is not a parallelogram. See here, this is not a parallelogram. The sides are not parallel, but these adjacent sides are equal. So with this, we come to the end of the types of quadrilaterals. And from the next class onwards, we will do the theorems on quadrilaterals. And what are the types here? There are 6 types. One is your trapezium, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, and kite. Write down all these definitions in your classwork copy. Thank you.